Question 3.2.2, we want to calculate the percentage of the paper that is colored gray. So what we shall do is we will work out the area that the gray shaded rectangles will occupy in relation to the entire area of the rectangular page. So if you look at the formula for the area of a rectangle, it's simply length times breadth. So your first rectangle will have an area of 21 times 1, which is just 21 centimeters squared. The area of the second rectangle also has a width of 1, but the length of course will be 85% of the previous one. So your second area will be 0.85 multiplied by the area of the first rectangle, which is 21, and that works out to be 0.85 times 21, 17.85 centimeters squared. So this again is a geometric number pattern. And so how many of these gray rectangles will there be? If the length of the page is 30 centimeters and the gap between each rectangle is 1 centimeter and the rectangle themselves are 1 centimeter in width, it means you can actually fit 15 of these things on one page. So there'll be 15 of these shaded rectangles. So we can actually work out the sum of the areas, which is for a geometric number pattern, Sn is equal to A into 1 minus r to the power n all over 1 minus r. So S15 is equal to A is your first area, which is 21, into 1 minus, the common ratio is 0.85, all to the power n, which is 15, all over 1 minus r, and r is again 0.85. So this will work out to be the sum of the areas occupied by the shaded rectangles. You get approximately 127.77 centimeters squared. Now if you work out the area of the entire rectangle, it's going to be length times breadth, which is 30 multiplied by 21, and that works out to be 630 centimeters squared. And so now we want the percentage of area occupied by the shaded rectangles. It's going to be 127.77 divided by 630 multiplied by 100. So the percentage of the shaded area will be 127.77 all divided by 630 multiplied by 100, and that comes out to be approximately 20.28%. So that's the percentage of the area that is occupied by the shaded rectangles.